Welcome to References tutorial. You can select Available on request. When the company needed any references, they will let you know about it. If you want to add references, click on the plus icon. Write the name of reference here. Write the designation of references. Write phone number of references. Write an email of references. Write an organization of reference. Click on Confirm to save your reference. To edit saved reference, single tap on the saved reference. When you modified it, click on Confirm to save your reference. If you want to delete reference, swipe to left, click on Recycle icon. Click OK to delete it. According to the expert, writing references is not recommended but depends on the job you are applying for. Great, now you have completely made your resume. Let's move to Settings section.